Hi, I'm Janet Ferraro. Today we're going to discuss using a mother color in your paintings. And this is a concept that's used by many artists, both acrylic artists and oil painters. And what a mother color is, it's introducing one single color into all of the colors on your palette so that it creates color harmony and unity within your painting. You can choose the color that you want, whether you want to lean more warm or cool. So the color you choose will influence the temperature of your painting. So let me show you a couple examples and we'll get right into color mixing. And I will be doing 2 color mixing demonstrations today on the mother color. And this painting I did of this longhorn calf, the mother color is burnt sienna. You can see the burnt sienna as it was added to every color in the painting. It really vibrates a cohesive harmony in the color palette. The mother color I used in this painting was a combination of Hansa yellow and burnt sienna. Cadmium red light is my first mother color, mixing it into Hansa yellow, alizarin crimson, chromium oxide green, and king's blue, also sometimes called Severs blue. I mix a small amount of this mother color, cadmium red light, into each one of these colors. And doing this will create a beautiful sense of harmony and unity within the colors. It acts as a unifying element that ties all of the areas of your painting together because each one has something in common, the mother color. And I do clean my palette knife off between dipping it into each color. I just don't show that on the video. And now you can see what these beautiful hues look like, mixed in with a little bit of titanium white. So my second example of using a mother color is a very common way as well, and it's mixing all of the colors together to create the mother color. Mixing Hansa yellow, cadmium red light, alizarin crimson, chromium oxide green, and king's blue. And now I'm going to mix this mother color into each one of these colors. And then again, I'll be mixing each one into titanium white. When choosing your mother color, think about the atmosphere you want to convey in your painting. In nature, light influences how we perceive colors. A mother color mimics this effect, helping to create a very believable environment. So think of the mother color as something that really connects your painting. It adds depth and unity. It connects everything together and prevents clashing or overpowering contrasts in color. And here are the mother color mixtures. On the left, cadmium red light, and on the right, the mother color of a mixture of all of those colors. And I did add in ultramarine blue so that you could see another shade of blue and how these mother colors affects that as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you back here really soon. Bye.